Changing your bank account on Vbrick is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Vbrick account. Access the Vbrick platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the main menu. This section contains all your personal and financial information. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings, find and click on payment information or bank account details. This is where you can view and edit your current bank account information. Step 4. Update your bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROT to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your new details are saved in the system. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account information on Vbrick will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.